name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. So I did a video like this before where I took you guys shopping with me to Forever 21 when they were having their buy one get one sale going on. Today, there aren't any particular sales that I know of, but I do have a few vouchers that I want to redeem and I just thought I'll take you guys shopping with me. I honestly have a lot of fun when I shop on camera because it feels like I have someone with me when I'm shopping. Honestly, I just like to shop alone, but doing it on camera is even more fun. So yeah, as you can see, I'm already completely ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top from American Eagle. I don't know if I'll be able to film in the store. I mean, once I whip out the camera, we'll see how the reactions are. Hopefully they'll let me shoot like they did in Forever 21. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I just reached the mall and I'm feeling so awkward. I feel like no matter how much I get used to vlogging, I'm never going to get used to the people staring at me talking at a camera. I'm using these headphones as a defense mechanism so that people just don't try to engage. I'm here for two stores mainly. One is Westside and one is Lifestyle. So yeah, Westside is like right behind me, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go inside Westside. Let's see what we find inside. So let's go, guys. This jumpsuit right here, I already have this. I actually bought this like 2-3 weeks back. So yeah, we're not gonna see this. We already have this. Till now they haven't stopped me from filming, so hopefully this continues. But now I'm just going to concentrate on picking out a few pieces and then I'll see you guys in the trial room. So I'm inside the trial room right now, and apparently in Westside they only allow you to take 3 pieces at a time. So I've chosen 5 things in total, but I only have 3 things with me. So I'm gonna try them on, I'll show you guys, then I'll go out, take the 2 pieces and then try them out. Let's just get started. You guys let me know which one was your favorite and let's go. So this was the first dress that I tried at Westside. Generally, I'm not a huge fan of polka dots, but I really had to try this navy blue polka dot dress. The side knotted detail was the main reason I wanted to try it. It really helped cinch in the waist and I just think it made it look extra cute. There's like the slightest amount of asymmetrical which gives like a lovely little flare. But like I said, not a huge fan of polka dots, so I didn't really end up getting it. So this was the next dress and it was a huge thumbs down. I honestly think this was supposed to be like a midi dress, but for me it was just too long and it ended up being a maxi, which did not look flattering at all, and the color was very dull. So I don't know why I even tried it on. But yeah, this was the second dress. Now this dress is so pretty. I love the bottom half especially. I love the print of this dress. I love the bottom half especially. It has these micro pleats which give like the biggest amount of flare I've ever seen on a maxi dress, and I just think it looks really nice. It just isn't really my style. Now coming to the next thing, this is the off the shoulder top that I tried, which I thought was an off the shoulder top, but it has the weirdest sleeve. It's neither an off the shoulder nor like a proper like half sleeve top. It was just somewhere in between, just very uncomfortable. Yeah, I really like the print but didn't end up getting it. And this was the last thing I tried. I generally don't really buy roughly blouses like these because I feel like they just look very bulky, but I really love the color. I love the sleeves. But as I predicted, this just doesn't look well on my body. So even though this top is cute, it's just not my style. I feel like this time around I just can't seem to like anything when it comes to clothing, but I was checking out their makeup and their skincare range, and I was looking for a nice good body lotion because I don't really have any body lotion and I'm terrible at applying body lotion every day, but I want to change that. So I just got the lemon flavor one. Guys, I highly recommend it. You guys should totally get the lemon flavor body lotion from here. It smells amazing. And then I got a shower gel in like this berry flavor. And now we've come to the shoe section, as you guys can see behind me, and we're going to check out some footwear. Just got done shopping from West Side, and I did buy a few things as you guys saw in the footage earlier. So our next stop is Lifestyle.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
I don't know what is happening. I mean, they are happily letting me film inside the Lifestyle store. This has never happened to me before. Like, I've never tried to film before, but even if I take on my camera to like take a picture to send it to a friend or something, like this was like a year back or something like that, they used to never let me do that, and now they're letting me like openly film, and they're like smiling and helping me out. That is so awesome. I've actually picked out quite a few things to try, so let's just go ahead and try these.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
So the first thing that I tried is this black dress. You honestly don't even need a Kira Kira app. The only problem was that it was just slightly on the looser side, so I didn't get it. Now the second dress was this dress. Honestly, after wearing it, I felt like a grandma just wearing like a shorter dress. I do really like the sleeve, but overall the dress has a very grandma vibe and I didn't end up getting it. Now I love the color of this dress that I chose from Only. The only thing is that the dress doesn't really have a lot of stretch to it, but I love the print. Now this dress, I honestly don't know why I chose it. It looked awesome on the mannequin, but on me it just didn't look that nice, and even the print, not a huge fan. This white dress, I had high hopes for this and I was so disappointed. I just wish it was more cinched in than the waist, because otherwise it doesn't look very flattering.
Everyone's lining up to see you. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
As you can see, I'm outside Lifestyle. That's because they kind of kicked me out. Okay, fine, kicked me out is a bit of an exaggeration, but this one employee, he just came and told me that I can't film anymore inside. So I didn't really bother with like asking him why and all those things, and I just left. So sorry if that got a little interrupted, but I think I saw whatever I had to see and I didn't end up buying anything from Lifestyle this time. So anyway, I'm headed to a supermarket because my parents have asked me to buy something, so I'll see you guys later. I think I'm going to close the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know which one was your favorite piece and let me know if I should have taken it. Also give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I'm really sorry there's like a lot of background noise. So yeah, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.